Hi, I'm Pat Sweeny from Symmetry Partners. Today I'd like to talk to you about mutual fund fees. It's been my experience that this is the only industry where the customer really has no idea how much they're paying for a particular service. To add insult to injury, it's one of the most expensive purchases you're likely to make over the course of your lifetime. Bear in mind this is a brief explanation, and this topic can become very complex. But don't ever let a financial advisor tell you it's too complex to go into detail. That's usually what you hear right before you're sold a very expensive investment. Broadly speaking, mutual fund fees are broken down into two categories: explicit and implicit. Explicit fees are those that you pay in dollars. It may be helpful to think of explicit fees as the type for which you could be given a receipt. Examples of explicit fees include the mutual fund expenses, loads, the charge you pay to a broker for selling you a certain fund, brokerage commissions the mutual fund pays to trade stocks on your behalf, investment manager fees, or your advisor's fee. Implicit fees are more difficult to quantify because they're not fees in the sense of being literally charged to you, but rather opportunity-type costs that lower your returns. An example of these fees would be the spread between the dollar value of what you can purchase a stock for and what you can sell it for, which is generally less. Another implicit fee is the cost of drop in value in a stock that you can cause if you're trying to sell a lot of it. The opaque quality of implicit fees does not mean they are unimportant. According to Morningstar research, they can be equal to the expense ratio in some funds. Talk to your advisor about the range of expense ratios, as some funds are quite expensive. These explicit and implicit fees come right out of investor returns and so have a material impact on your investment results. Studies have shown that lower cost funds tend to outperform their higher cost equivalents. It's common sense, really. Your investment fees impact your investment performance. Lower fees are better. Thank you for your time.